One press awakens a new era of luxury. This is the 2027 BMW 7 Series. Every angle tells a story. Every detail has a purpose. But before we discover how it's built, step inside the future. Now, let's go back to where the journey truly begins. The transformation begins as precision presses shape the first major panels of the vehicle. Next, separate precision presses create the doors that will define the vehicle's long luxury profile. Multiple forming stages create complex curves while maintaining exact dimensional accuracy. The roof panel is formed with precise contours to integrate perfectly with the vehicle's structure. Every panel is shaped, measured, and prepared before the body can finally come together. With the major body panels complete, the next stage is where the individual pieces begin to form the structure of the vehicle. Strong lower side structures now connect the entire floor, creating the rigid foundation that will support the cabin and body. The lower frame is locked into position. This creates a rigid foundation for the entire cabin. Reinforced pillars rise from the side structure, forming the protective architecture around the future cabin. Front and rear structural sections strengthen the platform and prepare it for the upper body. Hundreds of precisely controlled welds now permanently unite the vehicle's structural skeleton. Finally, the roof frame closes the structure, transforming the lower platform into a complete passenger compartment. Before entering the paint shop, the complete body is measured again. Every structure must be precisely aligned. Before paint can begin, every trace of contamination must be removed. A protective treatment helps defend the steel structure against corrosion for years to come. Even hidden surfaces receive protection, creating a durable foundation beneath the future paint. Next, a precisely controlled primer creates the perfect foundation for the final finish. After curing and inspection, the flawless exterior finish is ready for final assembly. Now the signature dark metallic gray finish begins to reveal the character of the vehicle. Layer by layer, precision transforms raw metal into its signature finish. Fresh from the paint shop, the finished body enters the final assembly line. Now, the vehicle's electrical nervous system is carefully installed, connecting every major electronic component. Fresh from the paint shop, the finished body enters the final assembly line. At the heart of the cockpit, the precision steering wheel is installed, connected and carefully calibrated for complete driver control.
Now, the cabin receives its signature luxury, the precisely fitted premium seats.
Every remaining cabin component is fitted with precision, bringing the luxury interior together piece by piece.
Precision glass and intelligent side mirrors complete the vehicle's exterior connections.
The steering system is now connected, precisely linking driver control to the vehicle's front wheels. Finally, the braking system is installed and electronically tested, completing another critical stage of the vehicle's mechanical assembly.
Precision wheels are fitted, aligned, and torqued to exact specifications, giving the finished BMW its final connection to the road.
The journey begins with molten aluminum, carefully poured into precision molds to create the engine's main foundation.
Next, advanced CNC machines shape every critical surface with extraordinary precision.
Inside the engine, pistons, connecting rods, and the crankshaft are assembled to work together with perfect timing. The cylinder head and final components are installed, transforming separate parts into a complete engine. Before installation, every engine undergoes rigorous testing to verify its performance and reliability. The transmission is precisely aligned with the engine, connecting the powertrain and preparing the BMW for smooth, effortless performance. After manufacturing and testing, the engine finally takes its place, the heart of the new BMW 7 Series. Next, the precision suspension system is installed, creating the foundation for a smooth and controlled ride. The cooling system follows, managing engine temperature through precisely connected radiators, pumps, and coolant lines. Next, the fuel system is installed, creating a secure path that delivers energy from the tank to the engine. Finally, both systems are pressure tested and inspected, ensuring every connection is secure before final assembly continues. Every critical fluid is carefully measured and verified, ensuring the vehicle is ready for final testing and operation. With the major systems installed, precision equipment fills the engine with oil and coolant, preparing it for its first operation. Inside the cabin, every detail is tested, from the seats and climate control to the digital displays and ambient lighting. Step inside the BMW 7 Series, where intelligent lighting transforms the cabin into a private world of luxury. Every detail is inspected, every system is verified, and only then is the BMW ready for its final road test. After months of precision engineering, the finished BMW 7 Series is finally ready to leave the factory. The new BMW 7 Series, where precision engineering, intelligent technology, and extraordinary luxury come together. Where royalty meets the road, the BMW 7 Series turns every journey into an experience of absolute luxury.